Hey everyone, RobloxDev here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a very simple Killbrick. As you can see, when you step on it, it instantly kills you. So to create this Killbrick, what you do is you have your part, and what you do with the part is insert a script. So not a particle emitter, but a part. Again, not a particle emitter, but inside this part, what you can do is go to properties, and if you want to access properties, go view, and you can check explore and properties. So inside properties, you can change the brick color to red, as that is what most obbies use. You can obviously use anything you like, it doesn't matter. So now inside this part, you want to hit plus, create a script, and inside this script, you want to type local part equals script.parent. So we're just saying the part is the script's parent, which is this part right here. So if you want to learn what parents are, you can go ahead and check out my beginner to advanced series. So what we can do is part.touched, and basically what this does is when the part is touched, it will do something, and we want to tell it what to do. So we're going to do connect function. Make sure you type it the same way I have right here, and if you do type it the same way I have, it should create an end with a bracket on the end of it, just like that. So connect function, you got a bracket here, you got two more brackets here with hit inside, and you got end here. So now what we can do is if hit dot parent colon find first child, and we're actually going to do of class, two brackets, inside these brackets speech marks, and type humanoid, just like that. And basically if hit dot parent find first child of class, make sure you get the capitalization right, humanoid, then end. It should create an end for you if you did it right, and a then for you. So basically if there's a humanoid inside the player, it will do whatever we tell it to. So right now it won't kill me because I haven't coded it properly. So in here there's a humanoid, and in the humanoid we don't worry about what's in there, but in here there's a humanoid, and we're gonna be setting the health value to 0. So there we go. So now we need to make the script do that. So hit dot parent dot humanoid, not slash, but dot, not slash again, but dot humanoid dot health equals 0. And what this does is it kills the player in the end. So if you want to go ahead and hit play, you can test this out. What it does is just kills the player simply like that, and that's pretty much all there is. Just have the script inside any part. So if I wanted the base plate to kill me, I put it in there, and the base plate would kill me when I touch it. So that's pretty much all there is to this. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like. Other than that, it's RobloxDev. Yeah, just hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I can see you wanna vibe with me. Just say you wanna vibe with me. Feeling like I wanna lie.